Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs and find out the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels in all the time frames. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for today is July 19th, Wednesday. At 11:30 AM, we have high impact news plan for British pound related currency pairs, and at 6 PM we have high impacting and medium impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I am in daily time frame now. As mentioned earlier in my previous videos, this trend line was acting as a very strong resistance for yesterday's price action, and we have clearly noticed the price action to break this trend line or the resistance line and also have taken support on this trend line, which shows the healthy trend reversal or the trend continuation in daily time frame. After taking support on this trend line, we have noticed the price action to make a very strong high volume bullish candle in daily time frame, which is the confirmation on the bullish trend continuation. And currently we are noticing the price action to find the resistance around this area of 1980. This area had acted as a very strong support zone in the past price action, so the price is respecting this resistance zone. So if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, we can again expect the price action to take support on the previous trend line or the support line from the daily time frame. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1980, we can expect the price action to find resistance around this area or to take the liquidity around this area, where I have mentioned in my past price action analysis also. So next resistance level is going to be around 2000, and only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 2000, next level of resistance it's going to be around 2030. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in daily time frame. And if the price action breaches this trend line or the support line, next level of support is going to be around 1960 and 1935 and 1893. And for now, the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bullish trend. Let us look at the price action for 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it is also trading within a bullish channel pattern in a bullish trend. We have noticed the price action to find resistance around this resistance level of 1980, which is the very strong resistance level in the daily time frame. So we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement and to take support on the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line, or the trend line or support line from the daily time frame. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. So the price action in 4 hours time frame is also in a bullish trend. We can expect little bit of retracement on the bearish side. It is only a retracement, it is not a trend reversal on the bearish side. Let us look at the price action for hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame also we are noticing the price action to continuously trend on the bullish trend. And also I have drawn the trend line or a support line for the hourly time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. And if the bearish side retracement starts, we can expect it to take support on the previous trend line or the support line from the hourly time frame, which is going to be around 1960 or 1956, and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And again, as long as the price action is trading above this bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1976 and resistance level of 1984. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1976 and continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1970, 1965, 1957 and 1945 on the bearish side. And if the price action takes support on the current support level of 1976 and continues its bullish side retracement, breaking the current resistance level of 1984. Next level of resistance is going to be around 1995, 2009, 2016 and 2026 on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I mean 30 minutes time frame, and in the past price action we have noticed a price action to continuous trend on the bullish side retracement, and after finding resistance around the resistance level of 1984 or the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. We can expect it to retrace to the level where it started its bullish side bounce back and to take support on the hourly time frame trend line or the support line. And if the price action breaches this trend line from the hourly time frame, next level of support is going to be the 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line, the green color line. And only when the price action breaches this support line, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in 30 minutes time frame. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1980 and support level of 1975. If the bearish side retracement continues, the next level of support is going to be around 1970, 1966, 1961, 1955 and 1947 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaches this current resistance level of 1980, next level of resistance is going to be around 1984. Please refer the higher time frame resistance levels for the bullish side targets. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.